Okay, I'm hoping that you can see the whiteboard here, but I want to go over a couple of things on relative pronouns. So to start, I think you can see this. Go back to the sentence where we said Dion hat eine Freundin. And then we also added the sentence Die Freundin ist sehr schön. German keyboard, get right. Okay. Some of you are taking that as Dion hat eine Freundin, die Freundin ist sehr schön. First things, you need to put your verb at the end. Okay, so at the very least, you should have sehr schön ist. Second, your relative pronoun replaces the noun in the relative clause. Okay? So you need to read these back to yourself sometimes when you say them. Dion has a girlfriend who, the girlfriend is very pretty. No, the word who replaces the girlfriend. Okay? So that it's Dion hat eine Freundin, die sehr schön ist. Okay? And remember, the relative pronouns, some of you were using words that aren't relative pronouns. Okay? The only options for relative pronouns are the ones from your chart. Okay? I'm typing the chart now in case you don't have them written down for some reason. Okay, obviously those aren't tabbed. I don't know if I can tab on here. Yeah, I can. There. So if you don't have these, or you left your binder at home or something, obviously those are longer, so they don't work. Let's see if I can get them to all work. Move this over. There. Okay, that's your relative chart. Those should be the only words that you're using as relative pronouns, and they should be the only words that start your relative clauses unless you are putting a preposition in front of them. Okay, and we saw that in one of the sentences. Ben hat einen Schreibtisch and sitzt, whoops, German keyboard, nie in seinem Schreibtisch. Okay, to put that together, Ben hat einen Schreibtisch in which? In dem nie sitzt. Okay, so the only word that should be coming after a comma is a preposition followed by a relative pronoun or the relative pronoun in the first place. Okay, so I hope that helps. We're going to read chapters 2, 3, and 4 today. Obviously, chapter 3 is very, very short. So let's start with chapter 2. And that begins on page 6. Müller ist at the Lufthansa-Schalter and seine Sekretärin Bea Braun hat gestern Abend noch den Flugschein im Reisebüro neben seinem Büro besorgt. Besorgen is to care for or to take care of. So Bea Braun has already taken care of his travel arrangements. And it says Bea Braun ist die einzige Mitarbeiterin in Müller's Büro. Now, just like the other week, I have sentences that I want you to combine. So I need you to, actually, since we have this whiteboard, let me, because I don't know if this is working, I'm going to put this into 2 videos. Let me hit stop here and make sure that the whiteboard is working. And then I'll pick it up in a second video with the instructions.